Welcome to this lecture on functions of management. In this session, we will explore the meaning of management and leadership, the main approaches, core functions, and the role of business culture. Management and leadership are closely connected, but they are not exactly the same. Management focuses on structure and systems, while leadership focuses on vision and inspiration. Management is the process of using resources to achieve objectives through coordination and control. Leadership, by contrast, is the ability to influence and guide people towards shared goals. A successful business needs both. Let us now look at some important approaches. The first is management by objectives, where targets are agreed upon to guide performance. The second is situational management, where styles adapt to employee needs. Contingency management suggests there is no single best way, while functional management focuses on specific roles. We also have action-centered management, balancing the task, the team, and the individual. Transformational leaders inspire through vision, while transactional leaders focus on structure and rewards. The leadership continuum shows styles ranging from highly autocratic to highly democratic, moving to the core functions of management. First is planning, setting objectives for the future. Second is organizing resources and tasks. Third is coordinating, ensuring departments work together effectively. The fourth function is controlling, setting standards, and measuring performance. Fifth is monitoring progress, and sixth is delegating responsibility to develop staff capability. Now let us look at leadership functions. Leaders must inspire by giving people purpose and energize by creating enthusiasm. They also influence stakeholders to build trust and support. The fourth is envisioning, creating a clear view of the future. Finally, leaders determine the best path to success by choosing the most effective strategy. The final part is business culture, the shared values and behaviors that shape operations. Culture is seen through the vision and mission, reflecting what the organization values most. It affects values and ethos, guiding how staff treat customers and how decisions are made. Culture also influences management practices and policies throughout the organization. Finally, culture shapes workforce structure and how people work together, affecting everything from attitudes toward teamwork to overall performance and innovation. To conclude, management and leadership are both essential for success, operating within the context of business culture. Thank you for watching this lecture on functions of management.